G'day, Cherie Leeden here from Goldbull Resources, and here I've got a couple of samples from our RC drill program. These particular samples were from the North Hill resource at Sandman. So we just finished a 3,000 meter drill program, and this is the kind of material that we get out of an RC drill rig. You can see it's a combination of chips and dust. Basically, it goes from a couple of centimeters right down to the dust. So these samples we already know were containing gold, and I'm interested to know whether that's coarse gold. Can we see this gold? And if we can see the gold, it's possible that the lab results we got back have actually underreported the gold that we already know we have. So it's what I do for fun on the weekend. I'm going to first sieve this down to about 10, mesh size 10, about a couple of millimeters. So we'll sieve that in there. And then once we've sieved it down to a couple of millimeters in size, I think it's about 1.7 millimeters, we'll run it through this little desert fox and essentially just hands it for us to see whether we've got any visible gold. So let's see what we've got. Now we've separated that in two. We've got our fines and our coarse. We've got another set of classifiers, and classifiers are super useful to know what fraction is containing the gold. This, once you work that out, you can then further refine your laboratory techniques to make sure we're not underreporting gold. A lot of shaking and jigging. You can see it separating before your eyes. The coarser material appears up top, and then we'll run this through the little desert fox in the various size classifications. So that will tell us, is one particular size containing the gold. Okay, so now it's time to put our sample through the desert fox to see whether we've got any visible gold. So we have separated it in the different fractions. You can see, just to work out if we're carrying gold in the fines or the coarse. This little contraption works via gravity feed. Essentially, the gold makes it into the middle, into a collection point, and everything that's less dense, which is the waste rock, ends up falling into the waste container. So if there's any gold, it'll be caught in here with the heavies, and you can see it certainly trapped some material. So now we'll pop this in a pan and see what we've got. We've got a winner. We've got a couple of micro flakes of gold, and then we also have another silver metal, a flake of a silver metal that it may be silver, maybe platinum. I'll have to look at those assay results. It's a piece of tiny gold there, a piece of gold in front of the pipette, another piece of gold there. Got that, probably silver. It's not bad for about a kilo of sample. Now I'll put these under a microscope to get a better look at what each of these minerals are, and we can make an assessment on whether our laboratory technique is working for us. But pretty encouraging to see visible gold in RC samples.